if I'm doing it right. It's a nasty 10 minutes.
Did you see the video of this?
I was making a lot of video.
No, but there's a Julia Chow.
Yes, I have seen
Yeah,
that.
that's very impressive.
It is.
Yeah, he makes it look a little bit easier than,
Yeah.
I think maybe.
Well, I think it's pretty cool that you're trying to do this. My
Yeah.
mom was very excited. She's like,
Has she
wow.
had that?
I didn't ask her if she had it, but it sounded like she's had it before. She's like, that's going to be the best.
Yeah, we got it. Last bit doesn't want to get.
Bring them out now?
There we go.
Yeah, that's
I have a feeling maybe I should have given that up because you can't put a
Just
hole.
open it.
Now you know why.
Oh.
People
You
don't
wanna
do
be a
this.
butcher.
Yeah, right.
No, I see
It's an interesting challenge one day. It'll be a lot of work every day.
I like to use about half russets and then half these new potatoes or red potatoes.
I never knew that. Well, your mashed potatoes are legend.
Yeah.
I need some water in there, if you would.
Water.
Wouldn't mind. Water's fine.
Just from the tap? Or
Cup of
is it-
water.
Just the
Maybe
water?
you can pull
Over here.
hot water over here
Okay.
from the, and there's a little Pyrex right there as well. You just fill it up.
You guys are here.
Hey,
Over here. Maybe here.
Okay.
Can I have this chair?
Peter.
Nice seeing you.
Hey, Shane.
Shane, nice to meet you.
Peter, how you doing, man? Good to see you.
Hi, I'm Shane. I'm Jenny.
Very bad job.
What are you? Hi, I'm Shane.
Hi, I'm John. Nice to meet you, Shane. Happy Thanksgiving.
Which one?
I gave it to you.
No, you get to Eric. Oh, for my birthday.
Eric, you should have worn that.
I should have worn that. I love it. It's awesome. I wore my holiday shirt.
Rosemary.
Yeah.
Spinach.
The spinach. Don't forget the spinach.
Yeah, let me squeeze it.
This might be enough, Peter. It's quite a bunch here.
Yeah, looks like a lot of string.
If I can find the end.
There it is.
That
is
Are those for tomorrow?
That's the backbone.
There you go.
You want more? You can take it all.
Oh yeah, I'll hit
I'm
them.
gonna go.
I'm just joking.
That is
with
Those boys brought in some
So,
snacks. Where did
Would
those
you
go?
lay,
Sorry, I don't want
would
to
you
get
lay
here.
a long strip down
Your angle.
right in where the backbone would be?
So you stuffed it with stuffing in there.
It's twine. It's organic.
Organic cooking twine. 4 or 5? You think we're at 6? What do you think? Good enough?
That's
So is that cruelty
We'll
free?
use it all.
It's hemp twine. That's my favorite.
Okay, there we go.
I'm touching it.
Actually, let's do this now.
Is
Tenders.
that the neck? Okay, we lose the.
I like it.
So this is the gravy
Gravy,
fixing.
we're working on the gravy. Yep.
Oh boy, does that look good. without bone.
This has a bone.
This is the bone.
This is the big bone bird.
Gorgeous.
Oh my.
This one having some gravy too.
Yeah, I'm gonna strain that gravy out of there. And
Looks pretty nice, huh? Pretty good looking turkey. Now what is that?
This stuff, I made this like apple, onion, cranberry, almond topping for your turkey or wherever you want to put it.
All right.
A little here, a little there.
Touch my ears.